beautiful scenery and Thai hospitality are the irresistible charms that draw tourists back to Thailand year after year. More than 13% of Thailand's GDP comes from tourism. In 2007, Thailand welcomed almost 14 million international tourists, while its own population of domestic tourists rose to 50 million. Thai tourism industry grows at a pace of 7% annually, creating job opportunities for more than 4 million Thais. These figures only show one side of the story, and that is tourism expansion contributes to economic growth. But it is only when we take into consideration its impact on the Thai tourist destinations, including uncontrolled development and the lack of appropriate management, that we see that this growth is actually a double-edged sword. Some tourist sites are beyond repair. Unplanned rapid expansion, the lack of proper wastewater and solid waste treatment, the construction of buildings directly on shorelines, and public encroachment have all contributed to many social problems. The tourism industry relies on two pillars: tourist sites that are attractive to visitors, and secondly, the services that either increase the access of visitors to these sites or enhance the value of these sites to the visitor. But maintaining these sites to a high standard and supplying the required services demands energy and resources and generates waste, such as air, noise, and water pollutions. All of these activities emit greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Most tourist sites are also nature-based destinations that protect both forest and marine ecosystems. So in fact, they have another important and positive role as carbon sinks. Just as the tourism industry is contributing to climate change is having an impact on tourism. Some of these impacts include the threat of rising sea levels, unpredictable waves and storms, the fluctuation of sea temperatures that result in the bleaching and dying of coral reefs, the booming of uncommon insects and marine animals that endanger ecosystems, and human health. The list goes on. But now is the time for us to take part in initiatives to reduce wastage, use energy and resources efficiently, switch to alternative energy and biodegradable materials, and most importantly, we need to protect and increase the carbon sinks in our area to our fullest capacity. The importance of the tourism industry in climate protection and the mitigation of climate change risks has led to the development of the Climate Protection in Tourism Project, a joint project by the German Technical Cooperation, GTZ, and the Designated Areas for Sustainable Tourism Administration, DASTA. It is one of the 6 projects under the German Climate Initiative in Thailand. Supported by the German Federal Ministry of Environment, Nature Conservation, and Nuclear Safety, this project aims to strengthen the capacity of relevant authorities by providing knowledge and empowering them to integrate climate change into the sustainable tourism management plans. Through this project, the private sector and local communities will be invited to participate in activities to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and develop the Got Chang designated clusters in Trat into a model for greenhouse gas reductions in the tourism sector. Furthermore, the project will raise the awareness of public, private, and civic stakeholders of how they can understand global warming and take an active part in reducing its negative impacts.
อปท.มีบทบาทหน้าที่หลักในการประสานงานเพื่อให้เกิดการบูรณาการ การบริหารการพัฒนาพื้นที่การท่องเที่ยวของประเทศไทยนอกเหนือจากหน่วยงานภาครัฐทั้งส่วนราชการรัฐวิสาหกิจแล้วก็องค์กรปกครองส่วนท้องถิ่นแล้วเรายังต้องระดมการมีส่วนร่วมของประชาชนโดยเฉพาะชุมชนในท้องถิ่นมาเป็นภาคีเพื่อสนับสนุนการพัฒนาพื้นที่การท่องเที่ยวนั้นเพื่อจะให้มันมีความยั่งยืนทั้งเรื่องของการอนุรักษ์ทรัพยากรธรรมชาติสิ่งแวดล้อมดูแลเรื่องของแหล่งท่องเที่ยวสร้างมูลค่าเพิ่มแหล่งท่องเที่ยวและการสร้างกระบวนการการมีส่วนร่วมของประชาชน
Although climate change in tourism is a new concept, it is a very important one. Tourism is an important sector for the Thai economy, and the livelihoods of a large number of the Thai people are inseparable from the tourism industry, both as the service providers and as the tourists.